the unity ceremonies and things that you get asked to do, which sort of define or personalize each wedding. Can you talk a bit about that, Jean?
Yes, and I guess it's the essence of having a civil ceremony is that we work with our clients to add elements to the ceremony that is significant to them, significant to their beliefs, their cultural beliefs, their family values, their social beliefs, anything like that. So you might have a couple that want to acknowledge their union. They want to acknowledge the fact that today they're becoming husband and wife. We do that in words in a ceremony, that's a given, but to make that extraordinary, to make that more powerful in the intent of what's happening on the day, we can have a candle lighting ceremony which suggests or acknowledges the union of that couple. We could do a hand fasting, which also suggests the tying of the knot, the sealing of the deal.
That's quite popular, isn't it, at the moment?
Yes, it is, and quite. It changes the ceremony from ordinary, or not ordinary, from beautiful into something more extraordinary. When you can add something visual in the ceremony, it really creates a powerful moment. And if your guests haven't cried up until the point of doing some form of ritual, regardless of what it is, it can be sprinkling rose petals around the area of the ceremony site. It could be putting a garland of flowers across the shoulders of each of the couple. If they haven't cried at the point of adding ritual into the ceremony, they will cry at that point.